Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. You need to start by opening Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, after that, automatic screen rotation is now off. If you wish to turn it back on, you can do that by clicking on the same shortcut. Now you need to click on Home button, and if you wish to, tap on Devices settings. Then choose Display section and scroll all the way down. Now you can manage Auto Rotate screen from here by clicking on the switcher next to it to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!